Hello again, welcome back to part 2 of Mully's food trailer video. If you haven't seen the first one, go check out the first video because it is pretty sick. You see it from when we got it and the state it was in to what it is now, and it does look so much better. So yeah, welcome back. In this video I think we're just going to carry on doing a few more bits on the outside when we get bits and bobs like the wheel arches and stuff like that. We've also got the legs and that on the back. Also, we're going to be doing the floor today. We've got the metal floor that was in it before. We're going to cut that and make that fit. Mully's upstairs out the window, I can hear her too already, watching me. And hopefully, we've got some sealants, so maybe put a bead of sealant and stuff around the edge of that to stop any moisture getting between the metal and the wood. But we've got the whole inside to do. We've been working out all the units and stuff we're going to do for the kitchen area. So in this video, you're probably going to see all of it. So stay tuned, we'll see what happens. So, just a little disclaimer, all the clips in this video of part 2 of Mully's food trailer have been over the last 2 to 3 month period. I've been too busy building the decking, building a garden room summer house, and doing all the fencing in the garden. So, I'll see you at the end of this video, and I completely forgot what I was going to say. So as you can see, me and Mully have been a bit busy just getting this first layer brushed on of paint, just get rid of all the red. There you go, look. All the roof's done. Obviously we've done this with a brush, so it doesn't look so great, but until you get this first coat on, and then probably going to get a roller and do a second, maybe third coat with the roller. Obviously most of this is probably going to get covered anyway, the paint, but we just wanted a white base everywhere. So once we've got appliances and things here, backsplash, etc., where there isn't anything and it is actually the metalwork still, at least it's white and it'll time everything else and look nice and tidy. So there.
2 days later.
So, I've just put up at home, quite exciting. Just going to throw this clip in here, a bit random, because obviously we're doing the trailer, we're building and painting and whatever. But, just been to Wicks, and just ordered our kitchen. All the units I'm going to make, because obviously the shape of the trailer, I'm going to make them to fit. We're going to have different depths on some units and that, because of the angle and shape, but to maximise space, room, storage, everything. Probably be best if I just make all the units, get ply and make them. So that's what we're going to do there. Gentle problem, kind of, you know, kind of cool, kind of exciting. But we want the kitchen or the trailer to look a certain way. So obviously to achieve that, we have to buy all the doors and unit, you know, certain units and stuff, which are all bought and paid for. I can't wait to get them, get everything fitted. It's going to look so good. But yeah, let's just carry on doing everything to this trailer, and when these arrive and get these fitted, you'll see them then. It'll look lovely. I need to change the grinder disc, but I can't span anything to undo the grinder anywhere. Sake.
Slag in the woodhouse!
Right, so I know so far this video is a lot of me talking, and here's some more of me talking now, but just when I got some ply, I've got 2 sheets, one's in the van, one's here. So what I'm going to start doing is making the unit. So to save you having to listen to me, I'm now going to start doing this. A bit of time lapse, a bit of cutting and drilling, and start trying to get these carcasses, or these units, as some people might not know, ready for the trailer. As our kitchen stuff is going to arrive on the 18th of February, but it's now actually arriving this Saturday on 22nd of January. So the woman at Wicks rearranged it for us, legend, because if not I'd have been way behind. And yeah, so I'll just show you the plans I've got in the book from when I worked out everything we need for the kitchen, and we'll go from there. So here's my plans. That was the first quote, just for doors. Anyway, so here it is. This is obviously the layout design we're probably going to go for. Door here, hatch is going to be this area here. Their fries and stuff along here, and then obviously we're going to have our units here, fridges and sinks probably over this area, so you can kind of see. So here, this is Mully's, lovely detailed one, and this is mine. Anyway, so here, these are 8 foot by 4 foot sheets of ply, and these are all pretty much all the bits we're going to need for the carcasses. Also, I've got some off-cut bits of ply in the shed over there from before. So let's get this on the tripod, let's get some measurements done, and start cutting some wood.
way to ludicrous speed.
Right, so it's been a while. We ordered all the kitchen, got it. Fuck's sake. You fucking twat. Take two. Take two. So we've had so many problems. We ordered the kitchen, got some wicks, and no money's opening the door.
Why can't I come in? I'm not in this shot.
I don't know if you can hear it. Anyway, so we ordered all our bits and wicks. They got it wrong on the first time. We went back and tried to sort it out. And they said you couldn't refund this. You have to wait for this to be picked up. You have to pay for your new bits. Ordered it the second time. They got it wrong, so Mully had to go back and sort it out a third time. Or yeah, third time, second time. Anyway, got new bits today. Sent it to my sisters and not to here. And the bits are damaged. But we're getting there somewhere, slowly. So, I'm now going to start trying to position these units into where they've got to go. Start trying to cut things, try things, and start getting all this stuff fitted. So, stick around, we'll see how it goes. So the 300 unit and this 600 drawer unit are also in place and square. Now this one I've kind of just butted up there tight sort of thing and pushed it back there. I've measured that gap all the way along. Now this bit here needs to be trimmed off so it fits in. It comes in 25mm here, as you see, and you know, if you get that in line, you can see I've done it literally at 2mm just past this joint. So now it's going to fit, and now I need to draw a line across here. I need to trim this corner off here and on the bottom shelf there, and then need to trim this edge off all the way down there. So I'm now going to get that done. I'm going to get this fit too. Right, so as you can see from the clips now when we're fitting these units, obviously it's boring and tedious as hell, and I didn't want to keep on recording every bit of it. So you've seen most of it. This is in. I've got to get a bracket or something mate in that corner though, because it's not in. Obviously I can't screw it into that because that's the door for the wall cupboard. This one's now all screwed in, and these three are all screwed in. This beam here is actually going to be obviously I'm going to have to make some sort of frame thing for the worktop to sit on at the back there, and also I'm going to have to put a leg each side to hang the door off, and obviously the corner posts obviously go down that corner and that corner. They're going to have to screw to that as well. So I'm probably now going to get that done. I might set up this and try to get a little time lapse maybe, or come back to it once I've cut them and got them into place. So stick around. So drawers fitted. The kitchen we've gone for and the colour we've gone for is it's a Wix kitchen, which we've had enough of a problem, but hopefully everything will be okay. It's called the Camden, it's the model, and we've got it in the midnight blue colour. So let's just get this out, and you might be able to see the colour of it somewhat. We'll find out. Let's lay that down. Actually, it's getting a bit of light. So it looks kind of grey, it's like a midnight blue, dark blue grey colour. Obviously this has still got the protective film on as well, remember, so that's the sort of colours going for. And this door actually will be the one that will be going in this end bit here. So, stay tuned, we'll put on a little time lapse and hopefully get this fitted. There you go, it's a nice quick little update. I've got the lamp underneath this camera. So the water tank cover's all in place. Brackets are in the corner now, so it's all fully secure. Those doors are all on as you've seen earlier. Those doors are on that cupboard there. The back one there, obviously you can see the little gaps down the side there. So that bit of wood and the legs, like I said before, are going to get painted white. But those gaps are all the same. The drawer fronts were a pain in the rectum, should we say. But I got them all level. All looking good. Absolutely loving it. There's white splodges there, and there is one on that one. They're just little bits of paint, but luckily these all got protective film on still. But look at it. So chuffed with how this is turning out. So like I said at the beginning of this video, all these clips are from the last 2 to 3 month period, from January to now, and we're now in April. We've done loads of work best as and when, because we have been so busy. But part 3 is going to be coming very soon. We're going to get in the worktops cut and fitted, end panels on all the cupboards, fridge in place, wheel arches hopefully done. All this watertight with all the sealant, as I said at the beginning of this video. Loads of stuff, loads of work. So see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment. We'll see you in the next one.
And Mully!